Oh, hi there. Welcome to my kitchen. My name's Magnus Booner. If you like food that is inspired by beer and travel, smack the subscribe button so you do not miss my content. In this video, we're going to be making some homemade American cheese. We're making it out of Gouda, smoked Gouda, and pepper jack. And we're going to get going right after the intro.
Gross.
Alright, first thing we're going to do is combine some ingredients. I got a pot here on the stove top, and I'm going to add to it 150 grams or milliliters of water, which is about 2/3 of a cup. Now I've got 15 grams of Nestlé Nido whole milk powder, or this many teaspoons, tablespoons, and I've got 18 grams of sodium citrate. And I'm going to combine it with this water, mix it all up. Now we're just bringing that to a boil over medium heat. I've got 250 grams each of smoked Gouda and Tillamook pepper jack. That is this many ounces. It's often easier to work in grams, and if you don't have a gram scale, it's time to pretend to be a real food scientist just like your Uncle Magnus, and get one. There's a link down there in the description box, the one I use, from Amazon. I'll get a little kickback if you buy it. Well, that's up on a simmer if I've ever seen one. Well, now that that's up on a simmer, we're going to start adding in this cheese. And you know what? We're going to turn it down to 3. I like to add it in bits and let it melt in. So that sodium citrate is a food-grade emulsifier. It's what allows the liquid, meaning the water in the milk, to combine with the fat and stay together and not separate like when you try to mix oil and water. Now we've got all that cheese melted in and smooth. You see some little bumps. That is the smoked rind bits. Those are just fine. And there's also the peppers from that pepper jack. Now that this is all beautiful, melty, and homogeneous, I'm going to pour it into this beaker. I've done extensive research. This is about a 4-inch round mold. This is the correct size for a burger. That is smoky and delicious. So that's 583 grams of cheese. About 550 milliliters. So now we're just going to let this cool on the counter for a little bit. Then we'll put it into the refrigerator until it's solid. Then it'll be ready to slice. Bullshit. I had some troubles getting the cheese out of the mold, so I remelted it and cleaned up the beaker. I then sprayed it with cooking spray and remolded it. I was able to get it out just fine after that. I have found the best way to slice American cheese is to take 2 metal skewers and lay them down on the counter as a spacer. Now we're going to make a smash burger. First, I'm going to toast my bun. I've got 2 60-gram balls, or 2 ounces, of 80/20 ground chuck. I like to coat my balls in clarified butter. Then, I like to smash them into a 600-degree skillet. I like to season my balls with salt and fresh ground black pepper. I cook them about 90% on one side and develop some crispy melanoidins. I then scrape those yummy melanoidins off the cast iron. Place my cheese on the patties. Stack them up. Then I squirt a little water underneath this lid to get it all melty. Just look at that yummy gooey mess. Well, now I've got a smash burger made with this lovely homemade American cheese. Let's give it a go. That cheese is so ooey gooey and rich. It's cheesy, it's gooey, it's smoky, it's creamy. There's some little bit of spice because pepper jack. That is the best goddamned American cheese I have ever had, and I say that legit. Honestly, that's amazing. I'm gonna wrap this up so I can finish that goddamn burger. Hey, I'm Magnus Booner. This is my Instagram handle, this is my Twitter handle, and this is my Facebook handle. You all can fuck off now. I'm gonna eat this burger. I'll bring you another epic video real soon.